if I can take a minute just to respond to something that Congressman Pallone said, and I'll address you, Congressman Pallone. 15 years ago, you and I met. You were at that time a champion for people who had suffered injuries from vaccines. You were very adamant about it. You were the leading member of Congress on that issue. Since then, you've accepted $2 million from pharmaceutical companies in contribution, more than any other member of this committee. And your enthusiasm for supporting the old ACIP committee, which was completely rife and pervasive with pharmaceutical conflicts, seems to be an outcome of those contributions.
Mr. Chairman,
Thank you.
point of order. Point of order.
The chair recognizes
Point of order. The
Dr.
gentleman is impugning the reputation of a member of Congress.
Mr. Pallone.
Stop the clock.
Can you stop the clock for a second? Can you state the point of order?
Yeah. He was impugning Mr. Pallone's
Mr.
reputation.
Chairman, I didn't hear it. Did the
Oh,
gentleman?
you weren't paying attention, that's why.
Well, you know, it's hard to pay attention here when we're not getting any responses.
Okay,
My
okay.
understanding now is that the secretary said something about me taking money from pharmaceuticals? Is that what he said?
Why he's not fighting for
The secretary implied that Mr. Pallone would not fight for vaccine victims because he took money from the pharmaceutical industry.
You know,
He
again,
needs to take back those words.
you know,
Mr.
he
Okay,
needs to-
okay,
I
here
would
we go,
ask
here we
the
go,
words
here
be
we go.
taken down.
This, Mr. Secretary, this is a valid point of order, I'm told. So I'd ask you if you would, please take back those words.
They're retracted.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to continue on with the decorum that I mentioned earlier in this hearing.